Hello friends, how are you? Today in this video we will talk about Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the smartphone launched by Samsung company, friends. You will watch this video completely so that you can know how this Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone coming from Samsung company will perform in the market. In February last year, Korean company Samsung launched the Galaxy S23 series. People all over the world liked the Ultra model of this series. In this, the company had given a 200 MP camera. Samsung has reported that it will launch its next generation flagship phones on 17th January. It will be said that there is talk of having new AI-powered features in these devices, which the company is also planning to give information on the same day. The company is doing a personalized program, which will be started at 11:30 p.m. Indian time at the SAP Center in San Jose, California. Although the company has not given any specific information about its features, but its features have come to the fore online. Talking about the features, the Galaxy S24 Ultra can get a 6.8-inch QHD Plus display. Apart from this, it can get dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 120Hz variable refresh rate and peak brightness of 2600 nits. The leak also revealed that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor will be introduced in all three devices in the US and Canada, while in other countries these devices will be paired with the Exynos 2400 processor. Talking about the camera features, if you talk about the Galaxy S24 Ultra, then in this you will get a new 50 MP telephoto sensor with 200 MP primary camera, 12 MP ultra-wide sensor, 10 MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom and 5x optical zoom. Can get. It is being said in the leaks that the company can launch the new series only at the price range of the previous series. The S23 was started at 74,999 rupees. The company can also launch the new series in Europe for a little less than the previous series. We are sharing the price of the website below. Note, this price is leak-based and they belong to foreign markets. It is possible to change them. The company can launch the Galaxy S24 Ultra model in 4 color options which include titanium grey, black, violet and yellow. In the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the company can get a 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts of wired charging, 15 watts with wireless charging and 4.5 watts with reverse charging. Friends, this was the full specification of Samsung Galaxy smartphone company. How did you like this video? Then please like if you have some suggestions. Comment and you will definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you friends.